I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube handle name in your YouTube channel. So it's this thing right here, the add username that you can see right here, and it's also on your YouTube channel URL. So to change it, it's very easy. All you need to do is click right here and go to view your channel, or you can also go to YouTube Studio and click on customize channel. This will bring you to the customization right here at YouTube Studio, and then scroll down and you will see two options. This one is to change your channel name, and this one to change the handle or the add username. So you can change it right here, and this will change the URL of your YouTube channel and also the username that appears right here. And if you want, you can also change the name, which is this thing at the top. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.